Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Memo Melela. Are you looking to improve your English for daily conversations? Do you want to speak confidently in real life situations? Well, you are in the right place. In today's video, we will be covering useful English conversations for deductions, asking for directions, making appointments, talking on the phone, socializing, and many more. So, whether you are a beginner or just want to practice, stay with me till the end and repeat the sentences to improve your speaking skills. Let's get started. Making an appointment. Person 1. Hello, I would like to book an appointment with Dr. Smith. Receptionist. Sure, when would you like to come in? Person 1. Is there any available slot on Friday morning? Receptionist. Yes, we have an opening at 10 a.m. Person 1. That works for me. Thank you. Talking on the phone. Hello, may I speak to John? I am calling to ask about the meeting. Could you repeat that, please? I will call you back later. Sorry, I think you have the wrong number. At work. Let's schedule a meeting for tomorrow. I'll send you an email with the details. Could you clarify that point? I appreciate your feedback. Let's work together to solve this problem. At the doctor's office. Patient. Good morning, doctor. I have been feeling unwell for the past few days. Doctor. What symptoms are you experiencing? Patient. I have a fever, sore throat, and a headache. Doctor. Let me check your temperature. It looks like you have a mild infection. Doctor, let me check your temperature. It looks like you have a mild infection. I'll prescribe some medicine. Patient, thank you, doctor. How long will it take to recover? Doctor, you should feel better in a few days. Make sure to rest and drink plenty of water. Socializing and making plans. What are you doing this weekend? Let's catch up over coffee. That sounds like a great idea. I'm looking forward to it. Sorry, I can't make it this time. Expressing opinions and feelings. I think this is the great idea. In my opinion, this could be improved. I'm so happy to hear that. That's make me really frustrated. I totally agree with you. Emergency situations. Call an ambulance, please. I need help immediately. There's been an accident. Please take home. Where is the nearest hospital? Talking about family. Person 1. Do you have any siblings? Person 2. Yes, I have an older brother and a younger sister. Person 1. That's nice. Are you close to them? Person 2. Yes, we spend a lot of time together. Booking a hotel room. Guest. Hello. I would like to book a room for 2 nights. Receptionist. Certainly. What type of room would you like? Guest. A double room, please. Receptionist. Would you like breakfast included? Guest. Yes, please. What time is check-in? Receptionist. Check-in is at 2 p.m. At the airport. Passenger. Where is the check-in counter for flight 102? Airport staff. It's at counter B5. Passenger, thank you. Also, where can I find a security check? Airport staff, just go straight and take a left. Passenger, thanks for your help. Talking about studies. Student 1, what subject do you enjoy the most? Student 2, I really like science, especially physics. Student 1, that's great. Do you find it difficult? Student 2, sometimes, but I love learning new things. What about you, students? 1. I enjoy history. I like learning about the past events. Talking about a festival. Person 1. Do you celebrate Eid? Person 2. Yes, it's a very special time for us. We gather with family and share delicious food. Person 1. That sounds wonderful. What's your favorite part of the celebration? Person 2. I love meeting relatives and enjoying traditional sweets. Person 1. I will love to experience it someday. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found these daily English conversations helpful. Now it's your turn. Practice these conversations and try using them in real life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn with Memo Manala for more useful English lessons. Also, comment below and let me know which conversation was most helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing.